everybody, how are you doing? It is Andrea on this amazing, cool, overcast Sunday morning. How is everything? Today is August 14th, 2022. There's a few things and milestones and memories I'd like to share on this day. First and foremost, today, a year ago, I had connected live in person with my mentor, Dr. Les Brown. Talk about dreams becoming reality. This was a dream completely. A down-to-earth man who is true to his nature. He's a real people person and is all about helping others. And what is most admirable at most is he remembers where he came from. The second memory for today is the celebration of my late great grandmother. She was a wonderful Italian lady who really kept to her word. She was very stern, yet set in and confident about her decisions, and did what she could to make sure that she was always having her cup full at most and then paying it forward to others. She had some ways about her that were unique in that she wouldn't let things bother her, and if they did bother her, then she nipped it in the bud immediately. She was one of the fists of our family, one of the matriarchs who was an exquisite cook. I mean, she can go in the cupboard and find anything and anywhere and create this amazing concoction of the finest cuisine ever. Now, unfortunately, I didn't adopt that trait. As most of you know, I was the only female amongst many male cousins in my family, so I was out on the playing fields, whether it be stickball, football, tackle football, American style, or just outdoors with my guy cousins, as the women in the matriarchs traditionally were stirring the pasta as the pasta was boiling and making home-cooked meals every single day. These are the memories that matter most. The influential people that come and go in your lives who have imprinted footprints upon our hearts, memories upon our minds, lessons that we learn, and it's all done through love. Today is also a celebration for just really reflecting how far I've come in just under a year, if that 2 years. Like I had mentioned, I met my role model, the great of the great, legendary motivational speaker. At that time, he was Mr. Les Brown, and now he's Dr. Les Brown in person. And it's really something I want you to take home. I want you to find or connect one way, shape, or form, even if it's virtually through taking a course, if not going to their seminars in person, and connect with someone who's doing what you are passionate about, whether it be motivational speaking in my arena, photography, singing, being an artist, and study them. And I wish that most of them are humble as enough to expose and be transparent about their wins and failures, their wins and losses, and what it truly is to be to their level and what got them to their level. A lot of us have lost our role models throughout the years, where we're in constant competition with others and forget what our real passion and truth is. It is important that you find what it is, what you love. Find the greats in that industry, study them, learn from them, speak to real live people in your community, whether it's virtually or locally, to understand the ins and outs of what it takes to be in that industry. it's important you know what you want to do. And it's important you know what you love. It's important that you enjoy what you're doing on a daily basis. And if you're not, then why bother doing anything at all for that matter? I am here to walk beside you to make sure once you find your goal, your dream, your aspiration, your passion, to keep you accountable, stay in line and pursue it until the very end so that you can apply it, master it, then teach it and help others worldwide as I have. This video is dedicated to two influential people in my life at this time. One being that of the great legend, Dr. Les Brown, who had told me to dream big, believe that it's possible. 11 pounds, 11 months old. They didn't know then, but they do now, was the quote he mentioned to me on the eve that I met him first live virtually in 2020 of Thanksgiving Eve. And my grandmother, who has petite stature, but was stern and knew what she wanted, she showed me passion. She said to keep it up and to never, ever give up. Thank you to these two influential people, and a shout out to my cousin on his birthday today, a great father, a friend, and an individual. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Check out my website, andreamasons.com, to redeem your free gift, as well as learn on what upcoming projects, events, announcements, and special offers I have coming down the way. I thank you for listening. I thank you for watching. Remember, every single second, you have a choice, always, to press play. Plan life according to you. Be well.